Introducing the 2024 Volvo X30 Ultra, twin MTR EXT RNG RW. This electric beauty is ready to take you on your next adventure in style and comfort. With features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, and wireless charging, you'll never want to leave the driver's seat. Safety is a top priority, with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision alert. Plus, the sleek design with privacy glass and glass roof will turn heads wherever you go. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a top-of-the-line vehicle. Call us today or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Your dream car is waiting for you. Your dream